Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Before we calculate about this one, I need to find about this integration in here. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of 3. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 3s squared ds. Because we don't have number 3 in here, we need to divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change by u. S squared ds we change by this one. The integration of e to the power of u, we have e to the power of u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we go back in here. So this integration, that's about this one in here. So we can put about 9 multiplied by this one. 9 divided by 3, you got about 3e to the power of s to the power of 3. Now we can do similar for the second one. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.